I'm going to guide you on how to download photos from your Google Drive. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, in order to download photos from your Google Drive, first of all, you need to launch your Google Drive app. Then it will land you to this interface. Now, if the photo or the image that you want to download is in another Google account, you're just going to tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then you will switch to the account where the photo is. Then once you have switched to the account, you are going to identify the photo. Then you are going to tap on those three dots beside the photo. Then it will land you here. So you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see download button there. So just tap on it. Then one item will be downloaded. See notification for details. So when you swipe the notification, you are going to see the photo has been downloaded. As you can see, downloaded one file. So when you go to your phone gallery, you are going to see the photo downloaded there. That's simply it, guys. That's how you can download photos from your Google Drive. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.